Let's do this shit, baby. Another day, another dollar. Get me in here. I'm 1 minute late again today. 9:16. It's good vibes though. Again, we're chilling. Big chilling. Let's get in here. Trading View. I got the blue Dewey. I got the same hoodie as yesterday. And if you're calling me out, fucking, you wear the same hoodie every day. Fuck you. Fuck you. Let's fucking go early morning shit, bro. I need to start working out before I get on the charts. I'm not gonna lie, recently I've been waking up late. I mean, not like right before I get up here, but like an hour ago. Alright, what the fuck am I looking at? I seen over here on my top step it automatically changed to MNQ8, so I put them up here. Let me turn volume on so I can see. Volume. Okay, yeah. So this is gonna become the new red. This is gonna become the new blue. We're gonna take these off. We're gonna delete these. I'll still keep these main like NQ and ES just because I mean I can't trade off these, but these are the same shit. It's just the macro Johns. Boom. And this bag would these look a little different. All right, let's get into it. 9:18. Let me sip this John. You already know we got the Celsius on deck, baby. Let's get let's check news. Forex. Ooh, shit. A lot of red folder pre-market. 9:45. We have PMI coming out. 10 a.m. We got yellow folder straight. All right, cool. Boom, daily. Okay, so it looks like we're just continuing bearish. There is this gap right here. We might react out of it, but on NASDAQ, this same gap got inverted. So we're kind of making an SMT off of that gap right now. There is another daily gap down here, but let's see, shall we? 4-hour gap we're inside of here. Is there more shit for us to take out down here? Or is there like an SMT of any kind? No SMT on the higher time frame just yet. We're in this 4-hour gap. This little kind of like no man's. We haven't really respected anything yet. 1 hour. There are gaps to the left. We do have bullish down here. Hourly. We inverse this 1 hour hourly. And then these are our data highs. In this bag would, if we zoom in over here on the 1 hour, we do see like we're kind of respecting bullish, but we're not really like, well, okay. Actually, we do have a gap here on ES. On NASDAQ, there's no gap here. So we're reacting off of 1 hour, but we have this overall 4 hour pushing us down to the left of us. 30 minute, 15. Kind of just like chilling around. Mark out these. It'll fuck up your lungs. It's kind of like low resistance down here. I'm probably leaning more bearish, to be honest. just because overall from a high time frame the trend here is obviously bearish. Yeah, we could reverse up from here after taking out all of this low resistance, but I'm not gonna bet on us changing the trend when we're inside of a 4-hour gap and we just made a super long wick with data highs. Unless we like get some crazy manipulation down there, I'm probably just bearish for now. Mark out this session liquidity. I mean, there's no low right here at the start of London, so I guess this would be London lows right here. This would be Asia lows. London highs got swept out by those data highs. I'm about to peep if there's an SMT up there right now, because that's pretty likely. Let me go 15 minute so I can see it way better. Yep, we took out everything before this big one, while NASDAQ only took out this bottom one. So boom. Bearish S&T at the highs too. This is weird though, this candle right here, because that's not there on ES. This is literally just like a straight dip down. I'm assuming it was right before the data stuff. Yeah, that's weird. All in 1 minute, 8:29, the minute before we just like dump all the way down, and then we fucking teleport back up here. Because that means we opened up here, closed all the way down, and then just teleported and opened up and then came up. Okay. If that's not manipulation, I don't know what is. Whoever was in longs got fucking penetrated. Yo! Because there's no way you had your stop all the way down here. And even if you had it all the way down here, you're cooked. You're cooked, buddy. Should have entered that shit on ES. Nah, but it looks like right now we just have targets to the downside with these Asian and London lows. We also have this untapped hourly under London lows, which I like. Above us, we're in a 4-hour gap, but this is probably going to be like kind of our main kind of condition. If we're at 10 a.m. and we're above this and we inverse this 4-hour to go up, I'd probably want to see a little bit higher. But if not, we're probably looking to go lower. I think that's what the vibes is today. I think those are the vibes. Those are the vibes. Those are the vibes. 5 minutes till market open. Let me see, is there anything else I need to see? Let me see, where's midnight open at? I feel like I should, what color should I start using for midnight open? I feel like gray is ass. Cool, 12. 12 open. That's weird. I switch to the hourly over here. It says 12 open down here. Let me see, but if I go to 5 minute, oh no, I'm tripping. That's where it closed. I'm tripping. It's supposed to be up here. Sorry, my mistake. I'm an idiot. I'm an idiot. Open right there. Cool. Alright, but yeah, so 5 minute, 15 minute, all that. It's gonna be 12 a.m. open right there. Perfect. It's the same thing. Cool. Cool beans. And midnight opens down here. Okay, yeah. So, I mean, we're looking like we want to trade back down to this area. We shall see if we get a setup. Because it looks like we're starting to dump now. Right now. And that's wild too, because the 30 minute, like it closed the 8:30 down here and then glitched up, open that other one up here. So on ES we're inside. Oh, okay. Nah, ES is about to inverse this. I'm already knowing. But there's an hourly like a little sliver here. The hourly gap up here on NASDAQ already got inversed. And then we retraced to it already. So see, is there an hourly inversion on? Yeah, ES even had an hourly inversion too, so inversed on the hourly, came back up, tapped edge up, tapped that sheet, and now we're going back down. Yeah, honestly, I'm looking for these London lows right here with this hourly gap. Boom. From there, we'll take it from there. If we get when we get there, I'll take it from there when we get there, son. All right, let's go. Market open. 40 seconds. 40 seconds. I repeat, 40. Let's do this shit, baby. Another day, guys. Another day. Remind me, 10:30? 9:45. So 9:45 PMI, 10 a.m. So let's just, most likely we're going to want to chill out a little bit. Probably not going to want to enter before 9:45. Like before the PMIs or anything like that. So because just like I said, like these people that if they were trying to long anything, that data just, that's the same shit that happens with PMI. So I'm not trying to deal with that. Market's open though. Reacted off of a 15-minute gap. And there's an hourly gap down here too. Wow, straight up. Just make sure there's no gaps in this leg. There is a 30-minute, and the hourly's up here. but we just made an SMT with these highs. Wow, market is just going straight up and straight down. High is 318.75. Did we take out these? 319.50. 318.75. Yeah, we did. So we took out even this all the way over here. Even though right now the market is pushing, bro. 400 points in less than 5 minutes is crazy. In 1 minute, damn near, like literally 2 minutes. We came up, we took out all of these highs. Tap this hourly gap, creating an SMT. Wait in here. Depending on what we do out of this gap, I mean, this has most of what I need. I mean, I don't really know what else I would need besides like I need some manipulation inversion up here, but besides like confluence is a 1 hour gap. Yeah, we did respect it already. But if we're gonna come back, touch this 1 hour gap, make an SMT at the highs, we just took out all these highs to the left. So like on any higher time frame, there's nothing else to take out because this is just a super long, it's that data wick. So unless we're gonna come take out these data highs, there's not much else to take out. I messed that up by accident. Yeah, ES is trying to go down already. I didn't create an SMT at the lows though yet. No, no, we have a 2 minute, 3 minute gap below us. We're pushing back up to these highs. Yeah, you is not just a hope, you just know what you want. Oh, maybe we are just gonna go to data highs, just push up. Do what you want. I'm just watching, guys. Just watching and reacting. I mean, this looks pretty good. Not gonna cap. I'm not gonna lie. This is looking decent. We can establish a like gap, especially right here, like on the 2 minute, and get an inversion. That would be fire. Let's see what this next minute does. Oh. Well, no 2 minute gap, no 3 minute gap. Womp, 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 womp. I need to upgrade my subscription on Trading View probably, just so I can see the 30 seconds straight from here. So I don't gotta like look at a whole nother chart to do that. Uh-oh. Internet. Everything looks okay. Dumping though. You know, my TOPSTEP X on this other monitor is not loading. But it's okay. Does this 3 minute give me enough first reward? No. even if we were to inverse this. What's good over here though? Is it me or is it TOPSTEP? No, because YouTube loads fine. Hold up. Hold up. Wow. ES is just selling off. We're creating S&T at the lows. All right, let me lock in over here again. Yeah, we made S&T at the highs. ES is just dumping while NASDAQ is kind of chilling up here. Why though? Bro, TOPSTEP is saying like network error, but there's bro. Yo, don't give me an entry to something and I can't even take it, bro. No, please fix yourself, bro. But I mean, the like, you know what I mean, 945 data highs hasn't came out or nothing yet, so I'm not like really gonna get in a trade for real. If it was up here, maybe, but right now, I mean, NASDAQ is respecting this 3-minute, so it kind of looks like we're reacting off of this 1 hour down here on NASDAQ. Even though we're in between 2 1 hours, because the one on the top we tapped into, respected. This one looks like we're about to tap into and respect. The 15 minutes is about to open up a new one. Bro, why is TOPSTEP bullshitting? Okay, so 15-minute just closed. Bro. This is so homo. Shout out to my homos out there. This shit's mad gay. What the fuck? No real entry here. Oh, they don't got 4-minute. There's gotta be 4-minute here. Let me see. Because TradingView and everything is working, but let's see, TopStep dashboard. Oh, wow. Okay, so we SMT the lows with London, and now we're instantly reacting up. Wow. Wow. I know I get bands, I do. Wow. Super, like, doji from what it looks like. Oh yeah, TopStep is fucking tweaking. Bro. Oh my god. Why? What is going on? Shit's giving me black screen and like not loading and shit. Right now we're just on the hourly, we're respecting, making a huge doji up. So we're just we need to wait for some candle closures anyway to really kind of confirm what we're doing here. But maybe we're bullish. Because holy shit, respect the 1 hour SMT off the London lows. Hold up. Oh, hold up. Hold up. There's a TopStep X app. Sure, I'll put it to my taskbar for now. Maybe that'll work. Maybe if I get the app. Fucking get the app down here. Yeah, that's fine. You can get on my taskbar. But if you like let me into your fucking service, bro. Shit. Knock knock. Open the fuck up. Wow, yeah, we just turn around, we're just gonna go straight up. Cause this 30 minutes about to close. Hourly's about to close, 4 hours about to close. Let's see if we inverse this 4 hour gap. Then we, oh my goodness, yeah, we're definitely bullish. Holy shit. Unless we just fucking dump after taking out the data highs. Let's look up on fucking Twitter or on X, see if anybody's fucking. Yeah, repost if you're experiencing issues with TOPSTEP X, bro. Disconnected, yeah. It's also claiming a reputation for one of the most ass prop firms. Yeah, okay. Oh my god, bro. TOPSTEP is so ass. Somebody fucking tweeted, I'm gonna get this TOPSTEP, bro. I'm gonna get this a payout from TOPSTEP and gap to Apple futures. Yo, bro, I'm about to go to fucking Apple. Bro, this is some bullshit, bro. Yeah, bro, this is gonna be, oh my goodness. Sweep this high. It's 953 inversion. Yo, how fucking sad is this, bro? Right? Yeah. Because this SMT goes from that big to this big, bro. But I'm really just putting this right here just because, but let me see on the 4 hour. I probably wouldn't take this actually. I just put that just because, like, fuck it, let's fucking flood the downside lessons on my here, but let me stay disciplined, chill out. I wouldn't take this because this is instantly 1 minute inversion, but there's no other, like, we just swept out. We just made an SMT off London lows. We just came up here. It's 5 minutes before the 10 a.m. candle closes, and we're about to inverse this gap and set our structure in as far as inverting these 1 hours. But this would be fire. Yo, TOPSTEP is so ass. Yeah, and it looks like other project. It's not all project. It's just TOPSTEP, the bitch ass. Let me get rid of this. And these are both hourlies, right? So, like, we came down here, we respected this one, we inverted this one, and on the 4 hour, we're gonna inverse this big gap. where this SMT is up here, there is a 4-hour gap. Wait, what? I definitely drew that wrong. Why is there an SMT? Oh no, I didn't. That's because the higher time frame ES took that out. All right. Yeah. ES took out that high. We're making a lower time frame SMT to here. Yep. Okay, cool. Makes sense. Makes sense. Makes sense. Everything makes sense. Bro, shaking my head, Top Step. Shaking my head. Wouldn't have had this problem if I just stayed with my fun and futures or went to alpha. I just had to go back to Top Step, huh? I guess that's what the fuck I get. Honestly, at this point, I'm just going to lock in over here on the chart. If I see a good setup, I'll just mark it out. And hopefully Top Step is up by then. If not, it is what it is. It's not like I got any other, I don't have another account somewhere else. Yep, TOPSTEP X major outage. Fucking, that's fucking sick. Okay, so 10 a.m. opened. We inversed all of these gaps. So we reacted off the 1 hour down here. We inversed this big 4 hour over here. And let me see, does ES have this 4 hour above it? It does, but we did tap into it already. Because on NASDAQ, we didn't touch this 4 hour. On ES, we did. So on ES, we did inverse this 4 hour, but we had touched into this 4 hour gap and then came back down here. So slightly different narrative on ES. You can see why we came all the way down to London lows, because we had tapped this already. Yeah, well, today's volatile, bro. We're just moving. Right now now we have an SMT at the lows and at the highs. We have a high time frame SMT and like a lower time frame one too. We're dumping now, so let's just see what we do here. 10 a.m. just opened up, so we're probably gonna get some manipulation. Market shit in the bed. Yeah, TOPSTEP is fucking ass. Anyways, do we SMT this low? High, low. Technically not, because we swept this out. We did react off this low though. At this point, I'd be looking to catch a trade right up to this gap. Since we respected bullish, this would be our manipulation after 10 a.m. Pick up the phone when you call. All I ever really ask me and Gucci and go shopping in Perry and go. Are these equal lows? Nah. It's actually one higher. Wait. 314.00, 315.00. But technically this one would be the low, which is 316.25. Okay, cool. So no SMT. Yo, this is so ass. TOPSTEP, lock the fuck in and come back up. Oh my god! Oh my god! It's back. Alright, lock the fuck in, fellas. Lock in. Fuck, I gotta piss. Fuck. Okay, on the 1 minute, one candle, two candle, doji down. Even if we inverse on this fourth candle, I'm not gonna want that. 2 minute though, we do have this 2 minute up here. Oh my goodness. We're pushing up. Oh, there's no risk to reward here. There's no risk to reward here. Is there like something else I could target? Not past that 4-hour gap. Fuck that. Nah. Yeah. We would have to manipulate lower again for me to get in this. To be quite frank. Because even if we got in like right there to put the stop at the low, thinking the high is still 0.83. So that means I would have to extend it up here to get a 1-to-1. And even more since we just closed this bullish. Nah, yeah. We're too close to this high. Yeah, and I'm not holding all the way till up there. So we're gonna go down. We do have like a double fucking SMT, dude. Just go back down. What's it called? You guys can go see Asia lows. Nah, but this is crazy. Yeah, we're definitely bullish. But we passed data highs. We have a 4-hour unfilled. But ES already took out all this liquidity. I don't know, man. I don't know. Okay, while we're manipulating back lower, I'm gonna use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Quick. Okay. Alright. 1 minute, we have this gap. Let me get rid of this shit. 2 minute, we have a gap. Looks like barely, depending on how this closes. 3 minute, we might have one. 5 minute. Are we tapping into anything on the 15 minute? No. 30 minute? No. We're about to create a gap or close this one. Maybe. 1 hour. Nah, this is straight. I'm not gonna lie. This is straight. Daily gap here. Big doji. 4 hour. We just inversed this gap after tapping into this 1 hour. Right here. We tapped to this 1 hour, rejected that, creating SMT at these lows. We do have this SMT and this SMT, which is like kind of worrying, but like well, we're creating an SMT right here as we speak. We did create a 2-minute gap and we poked into it just now. Also, this gap is supposed to be green. I just realized that the whole time. Whatever. Don't matter. Don't matter. Whatever. Don't matter. 3 minute? We do not have a 3 minute. So no 3 minute gap. 2 minute we do have. Let me just do this just in case we do inverse this. This is an interesting spot right here. No more SMT. If we react up out of here, we'll have an SMT at this low. This 2 minute got respected here. Alright, so we did have a SMT right here. It looks like if we can push up here, that's a strong close. I might fuck with that. I might be fucking with that. Oh, unless we just go down. Oh, what the frick is going on? What the frick? What do we? What the frick? Huh, what do we? There's no 5 minute or 15 minute gap. There's a 3 minute gap here. It's 10:16. Top step is back up, so we can take a trade. Yeah. Yeah, we're here. I feel like longs look a little bit free here. Like, I don't want to jinx it, but it's these SMTs that's really fucking me up. Because on ES, we took out this high and tapped into this 4-hour gap that's up here. For NASDAQ, it's an unfilled 4-hour. For ES, we touched the 4-hour, came down, made an SMT off these highs as well, and now we're going down. But there was no entry on NASDAQ for shorts. Well, I'll say no good entry. There was like this inversion over here, but this was literally like fucking right before 10 a.m. So let's see if we get, but if we can, because what, 10 a.m. open, it's what, 10:19, so 10 a.m. opened up here. 10 a.m. opened right here. I mean, dude, came down, came up, came down. I mean, I guess this could be our manipulation right here, and this could be the distribution, but yeah, I don't know, man. How I used to trade, I would have probably entered this on this candle right here for a short. But not this time. 2 minute, we do have a gap. If we're not gonna, oh, maybe we'll just keep going down. No, that's okay. That's okay. Ladies. And now we're slowing down a lot down here. We have a bunch of wicks. Market just looks like in general it's slowing. It's 10:20. 2 minute there. Big 3 minute there. Yeah, I mean, if we react up out of this area, it would be a low time frame SMT, but I remember I was talking last video about taking 30 seconds with the change in the state. Obviously, I didn't have TOPSTEP X open up here. I need to get the 30-second chart on NQ on Trading View. But at this high, there was a 30-second with the change in the state, so that could have been it. Because I mean, we have big high time frame SMT. We already swept out liquidity up here. We have targets below. I wanted to be bearish, but it looks like we're SMTing these lows. And then we would have been break even here probably, or like at this high. Take this high out, go to break even. So we would have been here. Took out this low. I would have got stopped out of break even. Yeah, I would have got stopped out break even for sure. Because I definitely was not gonna hold this here. Because I mean, what else is there to the left of us to stop us? Just this 3-minute gap, maybe like breaking out 3-minute gap, but I think we still hit break even if I go that early. Yeah. Yeah, just because of the way the candle's printed. Maybe draws not higher. I mean, we inversed this 4-hour gap. We tapped in this 1 hour down here and then went up. But we created more SMTs at the highs and rotated down. ES is going for these Asian lows down here. Yeah, market's moving so fast that there's not even a 15-minute gap in this leg. Just 5-minute. But we take out these lows. We're staying, looks like, unless we just start dumping right now, we're a little bit above these London lows. And we're far above Asian lows. ES took out Asia. There's a 4-hour fair value gap here too. The thing is, I don't know if this is something I should take, because there's not like a relative stop on, like there's no stop right here. But we did tap into a 4-hour gap and we're rejecting. Wow. This is a 2-minute gap as well. This is pushing right now. I think I'm gonna wait. I'm just gonna be patient. If it goes straight there, it is what it is. But this is kind of another one of those times where it's like we just closed a 5-minute, now we're pushing up into a 5-minute. If we can inverse 5 minutes, that's straight, but it's just like, shit. 3-minute. I would like the 3-minute. The 3-minute inverse, I have to feel like this is straight. But I also feel like there's a chance we just kind of manipulate straight down here. 15. Nah, 15, we respected this kind of little 15-minute gap here. This big gap is a 4-hour. There's a 5-minute gap right here that looks like pushing us down right now. Because there's not really like a good, I wouldn't say there's a good break-even point for us. Like, depending on what we do in here, this 5-minute gap, or are we just looking at TP there? Still have 1 more minute for this 3-minute. On the 5-minute, we do have a gap here as well. Let's see. If I do get in somewhere around here, delete this. Delete this because we're already tapping in that other 5-minute. If we go here, fuck, stop at the low. Oh my god, Top Step went down again when I try to place an order. Ah, shit. Well, let's see if this would have played out. That's super disappointing, man. See if we inverse this on the 5-minute. Looks like we barely inverse it. Yeah, we inverse this. We inverse the 5-minute. Could have got a better fill if I waited for the 5-minute. Could have got an entry down here, but it is what it is. Break even probably be here. These were data highs. Yeah, I don't need this anymore. I just hope it didn't place those orders. I mean, I hit the button, but it wasn't loading, so I hit refresh and that shit just closed me out of the account. I need to stop taking entries like this, like inversion down here or inversion right here. But the close all the way up here. These are like, eh. I mean, this is still looks pretty good. I'm not gonna lie, because the fact that we came down in this 4 hour, filled it completely, left a big wick on a lot of these time frames, or on all of them. We closed the 30-minute up here, closed the 15-minute up here. But, I mean, that doesn't mean we can't go down. Definitely can. Maybe we're running right to stop loss. Damn. Yeah, bro. TOPSTEP X is down, bro. We're watching this trade. We're chilling. That shit went down again. Hopefully it didn't place my order. Let me see if I can check my dashboard to see if it's up there. Order shouldn't be in there. But this is the trade I probably would have took. Just because I didn't want to miss it. But the 5 minute, this probably would have been a better, way better, honestly, if I just took the 5 minute. Because 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. But looks like if I was in the trade, we were gonna stop me out. That's so crazy. The amount this actually happens is wild. Because I've been hearing about Top Step going down. I mean, I was for like when all the project X's went down with all the prop firms, I was trading with Top Step, and then I stopped trading with Top Step for a little bit, and I heard it went down again once or twice. I mean, actually, in hindsight, I probably like hope that Top Step did place my orders, just because I mean we're in the red right now, but I mean that's a trade I would have took still. I feel like this could still go up. What time is it? It's about to be 9:45, so this 15 minutes about to close. We're gonna have this unfilled 15-minute to the top of us. 5-minute we tapped into. So I'm gonna take this off. Because we're about to have this unfilled 15-minute up here. I would take it to this. Oh wait, actually, I'm tripping. If we got an entry down here, I'd take it to this, you know. But we're already in the trade. What is this? It's just a 5-minute gap, and take this out, so it's easier to see everything. It's a 3-minute. I'm gonna just label all these. This is a 1 hour. I got the 4-hour label down here. Looks like we're going up now. Oh, maybe not. And it's all good. This is an entry too, 3-minute right there. That's an amazing entry right here. 3-minute inverse SMT at these lows down here with London and Asia. And down at the bottom here. Nah, that wasn't SMT. If this trade even plays out, I mean, maybe we'll just chop around here or something. If you entered on this 3-minute, you could easily just break even at this high right here. Target higher. Super simple. Super simple. I want to see if that would have played out. Break even right there. Do some little forward testing right now. Since we're just chilling on the market with it like TOPSTEP SUCKS being down, bro. Fuck. It's like this is why people talk shit about this platform, bro. And it's all good. I mean, at this point, although I would want to go break even at the 15-minute, it's too close to my original entry because I entered mad high. If I had entered on this 5-minute or this 3-minute down here, I would have put break even at this high or at this 15-minute gap. But since I did enter that high at this 3-minute, I'm just going to move my stop here. Move my stop up a little bit as we watch. Let's see if we're gonna come back down here. And it's all good. How unfortunate is that, though? About to switch to alpha futures on the guys. On the guys. For real, guys. Shit's not funny. On the guys. Because this could have been bread, man. This could have been bread. Yeah, if I was in this trade still, I would close out here at like break even. Because what the fuck? It's 10:50. This is mad ambitious, I'm not gonna lie. This is a crazy ambitious trade late in the day. Well, it was 10:30 at the time when I entered, so I guess not that late, but after seeing us come down here, it's real iffy, I'm not gonna lie, with the timing. With the timing, we're probably just going to chop around here for the rest of the day. We're probably not going to, like, super expand up. I mean, like, we might. It don't even matter because, you know, top step is down. Oh yeah, we're getting shit fucking market shit in the bed now. At this point, I am really hoping. I keep flipping back and forth, but I'm hoping that shit did not place. Because if it did, I'm fucked. There's no stop loss. There's no nothing. I can't close that shit out. Nothing. Fucking imagine, but I don't think so. It came back up. I didn't think it was going to go right back down. market's just chopping for this morning. Nothing really going on. I think we will just slowly expand up to this 4-hour gap. So on the higher time frame, we got our open. Oh shit. We got our open low. We're gonna come up here, make a high, close. Okay, I was able to log into TOPSTEP X, but so none of the orders got placed from before. But that kind of sucks. I'm not finna trade at 11, so. Let's see. I'm gonna just put this at 11. That sucks. Would have had a good trade. TOPSTEP his ass. Had I entered, it looks like had I entered on this 5-minute though, or had I entered on this 3-minute, I would have been stopped out of break even. Because I definitely would have gone break even at this internal high right here. For sure, ski. For sure. For sure. For sure. Alright, I'm not taking a trade. So let me just get my ass off of here. As far as the draw, me open TradeZilla. I'm just gonna bring over my TOPSTEP X just in case. You can literally see trades down here on the right. This was still yesterday, 12/15, 12/16. It's the 16th of December today. No trades in here because this fucking platform is ass. We're still at the $25 from yesterday. Move this back over here, just for a little bit of proof. Make sure y'all know I'm not bullshitting. Let's write day view. Start ready. Top step is ass and went down today, comma, would have taken a trade. Let me just take a screenshot. Actually put this right here. Actually just gonna delete that and make it simpler. This is the 4-hour gap here. We react off of it. And then on the 3-minute we inverse this. So is the entry. And this is a text. 4-hour unfilled. Cool. Yeah, this is playing out too. Up to that 4-hour gap after I seen the 4-hour inverse. Let's go though, W bias. I was able to switch it this time and actually see what the market was telling me. I'm happy about that. That's fire. Let me just take a picture of this hoe. Snapshot. Copy image. TOPSTEP is ass, went down today, would have taken a trade. Comma. Had TOPSTEP been up, this is the trade I would, I mean, I could say like depending on the entry I got, because there was a few entries over here, but to be honest, this is the one that I would have took because I put the position on that one, so I'm not going to bullshit and say, oh, what if I just waited a little longer and took this 5-minute, or waited a little longer and took this 3-minute down here, but I'm just going to, oh, wait. Let's see. So there was a high time frame SMT at the lows inside 4-hour gap, 4-hour bullish gap, plus 3-minute inversion with we manipulate other entries presented themselves after this one with better fills. However, if I took would have been a break-even day. Perfect. Would have. Would have closed at 11. So would have securing a bit of profit. Cool. Securing, and then come on, pop up. Would've. Cool. It's crazy that like TOPSTEP just goes down all morning session, and now that it's 11, now it's back open. Like, that's some bullshit. That's some bullshit right there. Fucking yo, they're playing games, bro. I'm not gonna lie. They're playing games. Ass. TOPSTEP's dog shit. All right, well, no manies today, no manies. TOPSTEP is ass. That's the moral of the story today. Anyways, if you like my videos, give it a like. If you dislike, give it a dislike. See you guys. Have a great day.